Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tracy. I'm back for another video, and today we're going to do a different kind of unboxing. Actually, it's not unboxing, it's unpouching. I have 3 pouch here, 3 items here. 2 are from Etsy and 1 is from the Facebook Marketplace, and these were all listed as Coach vintage bags. If you want to see what Coach vintage bags I got, please keep on watching. But before we start, welcome. I'm Tracy. I do bag unboxing videos, sometimes first impression review videos, and once in a while I do upload vlog videos. And if you happen to like my channel, please consider subscribing. And for all who already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back and for your support. Now, let's proceed to our video for today. I did a video for my first Coach vintage bag. No, actually, it's not my first Coach vintage bag. I ordered like 2 years ago from the Facebook group. I can't remember the name of the bag. I think it's a Rambler, and I haven't used that. And then I stopped browsing for vintage bags. What inspired me to browse or search for a vintage bag is from the video of Autumn Beckman. Yeah, she's been buying Coach vintage bags lately, so I started looking up for vintage bags. And also I've seen Alana Coach Craze on YouTube that she made a video of her Coach vintage bags haul. I browsed the website and it went to Etsy. So I got 2 items from Etsy. It's like $70 and the other one is $60. So, and then the one I got from Marketplace Facebook is $30. So which one? This one. We'll start with this one. I think this is the $60 vintage bag. But I'm not really a, like, I don't know, how can you tell if it's a vintage bag or if it's an authentic bag? I have no idea, but I just bite the bullet and start buying. So if you are more into vintage bags and you know more about how to authenticate or like say it's a fake or not, please let me know. So yes, this one is from Etsy, and because the first one I made a video of is also from Etsy. That's why I started browsing on that website. So this is the item. Ooh, the aft cabin vintage goods. Look at that. She has a sticker. She has a logo. And she wrapped it in paper real good. Let me get a scissors. Let's open this one. There you go. Oh, oops, almost fell. So this is a, what do you call this one? I can't remember the name. This is a crossbody bag, but it is small. I think this is $70. I just put the information on the box below for like what's the name of this bag. But yes, this comes with a long shoulder strap, but the long shoulder strap feels a little sticky. And it has silver hardware. It has Coach, let me see. It has Coach engraving there. So let's put this buckle, this leather strap, and see how long this would be, because probably this will be short for me. I wonder they don't make adjustable straps before when they start producing Coach bags, because it's not one size fits all, you know what I mean. But yeah, it looks like a short shoulder strap. It will be like a, it's not meant for a crossbody, it's more of a shoulder bag. Yeah, it is short like that, like Hermes Evelyn. Evelyn, how do you say it? Yeah, this is short. But anyway, looking at this up close, it doesn't have a lot of like peeling or any cracks. This bag looks good, actually. It doesn't have a lot of scratch marks. And the bottom is good, see? Look at the corner, not a lot of corner wear. And even this side. And the back, not a lot of like scratch marks. Yeah, not a lot of scratch marks on this one. And the bottom, it's good, looking good. It's just more wear on the shoulder strap. So let's see the inside. It has this leather pull. Yeah, not a lot of wear on this part of the leather as well. And the zipper glides smoothly. I'm surprised. And let's look at the inside of the bag. It has a zipper pocket with, you know, the zipper pull, like the older zipper pull, like that from Coach, but it doesn't have the C on it. And then let's look at the grade. It's already like faded, but I hope I can still show it to you. There you go. The bag looks clean. Yeah, clean on the inside. It doesn't have like a bad smell, actually. It has leather smell, like also like old smell, but not a bad old smell. It's just more of like a leather smell. This is nice. This is good. But it's $70, I think. $60 or $70 I pay for this one. But let's do a quick mud shot on this one. It's only a shoulder bag, not a crossbody. It was not. It's funny. It was a crossbody bag. But I don't know if Coach will right now is selling some shoulder strap that can match this. But we'll see. I like this. It's just a shoulder bag. So that's it for our first vintage Coach bag. Now let's do the second bag. This is heavier compared to the other one. So let's open this one. I got this from Etsy as well, and I have a receipt. Yep, there's a receipt, and this is vintage 80s brown leather Coach bag with zipper flap, made in Italy. This is from Attic Vintage, New York. Oh, this is $50 plus shipping, $11.69. So good thing I have a receipt. Let me look at the other one. The other one doesn't have a receipt, but look at that. The Attic, Brooklyn. Ooh, look at that. It looks like a nice brown color, and it's heavier compared to the first bag I showed you. Ooh, look at that. This is nice. Smell like old leather. This is nice. I've been this package has been sitting in my little corner for a couple of weeks now, so it's okay to smell. There's no more virus in here. Well, this is nice. Hopefully this is authentic, right? I like the color. And then it has raw leather. I didn't show you this one. It has raw leather as well. Yeah, raw leather. But this is light. This one is heavy. This is nice. And this bag, ooh, it comes with a hang tag. The other one didn't come with a hang tag. And this has more scratches. And probably like some, I don't know. It's like some mold or something. I don't know. White marks. I thought it's just my eyeglasses that's tricking my eyes, but with the light I saw some like white patches or like powdery on top. Maybe it needs to be cleaned. It needs a bath, probably. Well, we'll see. It has a pen mark, and you can see it has, I think, yeah, it needs to be aired out. The bottom has more, I don't know if you will say this is cracking of the leather, or it just needs more, or it needs just conditioning. You see the texture of the leather, and the side looks like this. This is like a mixture of smooth and pebbled leather, because the back of the bag is smooth, but the flap is a different piece, and it is a little pebbled and raw leather. It has a front pocket with scratch marks here, and let's open the bag. Ooh, it glides smoothly. Wow, the bag glides smoothly. And the paper inside. What I like about the vintage Coach, they have raw leather. Yeah, I like that part on the bags. So there's like stains inside the bag. I hope you can see that. And then it has a slip pocket, and this is the grid. I hope you can see it. I don't know how to decode, reveal the code of the bags, but I don't know. It needs some cleaning. This needs some cleaning. But the zipper pull is good. What's that? The hardware is like, needs to be clean. It's like has some green color already. But other than that, good leather. I think I just have to learn how to, what's that? Clean the vintage Coach bags. I have to learn how to do that. Like, you call that dunking? I don't know, like give them a bath. I'm not sure. But yes, this bag comes with a gold hardware or brass hardware. And other than that, oh, so the back part has the full slip pocket. So the front has a slip pocket. This is the main compartment, and then there's a third compartment. I'm surprised with that. Wow, it's like extra leather piece. But anyway, I think I have to inspect this more, and probably I need to clean it. I need to get a good leather conditioner and leather cleaner. So if you have any suggestions, please let me know. And also please let me know if this is a good purchase. Let's do a quick try on this bag, because this one is not, the shoulder strap is also not adjustable. It has 3 rings, but that's it. Oh, this is longer. I will be able to wear it like a crossbody. That's nice, like a messenger bag. That's nice. There's no back slip pocket though. So on to our third item. Almost done. This is from the Coach, no, not Coach. This is from the Facebook marketplace. I was surprised that they're already selling bags at the Coach, not at the Facebook marketplace. And I think I got this for $30 plus shipping. And hopefully this is a vintage. This is a good bag. Ooh. Ooh, it's like the smaller version of this one. Right? It looks like a smaller version. Seems like. I think. Yeah. Seems like a smaller version. Oops. There's a sticky note. Enjoy the bag. Thank you. From Sarah. So she has a sticky note there. This is cute. Oh, oh, it's not. I was hoping for a third pocket, but there's none. But yeah, it looks like the smaller version of the other one. I got this for $30. This one has a hang tag, and it has that non-adjustable strap. At the back, it has a slip pocket, and the bottom looks like this. Let's go with the inside of the bag. The inside of the bag, look at this, so soft, raw leather. So the inside has a slip pocket. This bag needs to be clean, it's dusty. The smell, like, you know, someone used it. Yeah, but not bad smell. And this is what the inside looks like. It has a zipper pocket, and the slip pocket or the zipper pocket inside cannot be removed, but I'll show you the Coach grade if you can see that. But yes, it has a zipper pull like the vintage Coach zipper pull. It glides smoothly. Let's see the top zipper. Ooh, it glides smoothly. But this one is plastic. The other one, this one is metal. Yeah, this one is metal. This one is plastic zipper. This one needs to be cleaned more, but it has less. No, the wear and tear is mostly on the side, a corner wear and tear, and then on the bottom, like multiple scratch marks. But for $30 on a vintage Coach, I'm okay. I don't mind that. I don't mind that. This is really nice. I don't see, like, right now I don't see a lot of, I don't see any cracking or tear. It just scratch marks and corner wear. But yeah, this is a good buy for $30. What a nice purchase. I enjoyed my purchase with the I know I have one more coming from the, oh, so there's a black spot there. I don't mind that. I hope if I use a leather conditioner or leather cleaner, it will go away. So yeah, I think these are normal wear and tear. I don't see any like cracking or really like cuts on the bag. It's just more of scratch marks. But yeah, I like it. I like it. It's like the smaller version, the mom and baby. Oh, same bag. If you know the name of these bags, please let me know. If you're into vintage Coach bags, please let me know. So let's do a quick quick try on this bag. So as a shoulder bag, and it can be worn as a crossbody bag. I like it. I like how soft the leather is for these bags. So that's it for our Coach vintage haul video for today. If you happen to like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell button so you get updated every time I upload a new video. So until next time, thank you for watching. Bye!